frame is, most importantly, you need a picture. So I've got a picture here. Now when you print your picture, you tell them to film it. Now this picture is filmed. If you look at it, it's different from this. This is not filmed, but this is filmed. Now you see all those shiny things. They have different types of film. You can tell them to give me the shiny one. They have different types. You can even select. You understand? So you tell them when you are filming it, after printing, tell them that you want to film your picture, or you want to what is it called now? Laminate. That is the common language. Just say you want to laminate the, not normal laminating, and just say picture film, and they'll film it for you. They have different types. You understand? This one is tone film. So you need your picture, you need your frame, your board. You need your board. Now this board, you can get it from where they say plywood. Now this is 8 by 10. You tell them to cut it for you depending on the size that you want to use. Now I have listed the different sizes of board that you can use for your frameless frame. Now this one is 8 by 10. This is 8 by 10. Then you need your measuring tape. Now if you don't understand this one, you can get the tailor tape, but this one is also okay if you can understand it. Then you need your sandpaper, very important. You need sandpaper. You need your sandpaper. You need your screwdriver. You need your scissors, and you also need your edge tape. This one comes in various colors also. It depends on what you want to do, on the color that you want. Maybe color of your board or stuff like that. So this one you can get in different colors, so you can make your choice. Then you need a cutter. Now if you don't have a cutter, you can use razor blade, but I would advise that you get a cutter. I think this one is about 1.5 or so. I bought this on 1.5. Then you need third. You need third. If you live in Benin City, I can tell you where you can get all these ones in Benin City. But if you live any other place, all these things, if you get to just this one, you can get it from where they sell board or where they sell plywood, or sawmill. You just go to sawmill and tell you want to buy board. Sometimes there are some that cut like this for you, but there are some they cut it big. But just explain to them that you want to use for frame, and they will cut for you. And you also need your acrylic glass. This is how it looks like. This acrylic glass, if you want to use it, I will show you exactly how it looks like. This is how it looks. Now, how do you get this one? You can get to where they sell building materials. You tell them you want to buy acrylic glass. They also cut for you. This is 8 by 10. As you can see, it fits exactly. This is 8 by 10. So you get your acrylic glass. Then you get hook. This hook is what you use to hang the frame. Then you also need third. These are thirds. Now this third comes in different shapes and also different color. So you need third, and you also need screw. You need screw to screw your hook. Then you need gum. Now make sure you buy the aboki gum. Top bond is not too okay because top bond does not gum very well, but this aboki gum gums very well. So you tell them that you need aboki gum and they will give you. They sell by measurement. I think this one is I bought this one half liter. So get aboki gum. So guys, in our next video I'll be showing you and how exactly you be doing this frame. We do it together. You watch the video and you just watch me as I do the frame, so you can get your materials ready for the next video. So as I'm doing it, you can just do along. Alright, welcome back to this training. Now we're going to be looking at how to do a frameless frame. Now, if you watch my previous video, I told you that you need a board, you need acrylic glass. This is acrylic glass. You need your picture, you need some paper, you need gum, you need this is called edge, cutting edge. You need a cutter, you need a screwdriver, you need scissors, you need tools. These are tools. You need hook, you need screw for the hook, you need screw for the hook. Now a piece of cloth, very important. You need a tape. Alright, let's dive into the training. The first thing you need to do is use your gums, spray your gum on. Okay. Now this my picture is bigger than the frame, so let me cut it to size. This picture is actually 8 by 10. It's 8 by 10. I did the design by myself. Now I removed the background. Now you must learn. I did some videos on how to remove background from pictures. It's very easy. So you can remove your background from pictures and choose a very beautiful background. Because when you go to a graphic designer, if you want to do this one, they can take up to 1,500, 2,000 from you just to change the background of your picture. Or you can do that yourself. If you're a graphic designer, it's okay. But if you're not a graphic designer, you can just go to any graphic shop and ask them to help you edit your picture. You can even make the picture more, you will clean it up. Alright, let me cut this to size.